I love strip clubs. Guys, stop. I'd be here even if I wasn't with you. I would. They all know me. There's nothing I love more than being here with the boys and watching girls dance all over the stage and having beer. It's my favorite. No stuff. Oh no, I could not be up there doing that. No, I mean I could, but I don't want to. No, mostly because I just want to watch them do it. And I respect the art form. So you boys better be tipping right, or else I will come for you. So I don't want you to be distracted thinking about me up there. I want you to look at these lovely ladies. Stop it. Stop being distracted. I'm not going to get up there. Hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh, you are doing so wonderfully. Just keep dancing. It's so hot. Stop it. I'm not going to get up there. You guys, I just want to be one of you, just hanging out. Why can't I just be one of you hanging out watching these girls?